So I have an old axe, and I ground it a little bit. I don't think I got much footage of that, but if I do, I'll put it right here. The axe head is still really tight on there, so that's really good. They did a really good job wedging that. So I'm going to just lynchy up the handle. I'm going to sand it down a little bit, get some of the roughness off of it, put some Lynchies oil on it. So let's fix up an old axe. Alright, so now that I got mostly sanded down the way I like it, I'm going to put some Lynchies oil on it just to see what it looks like. And I'll show you. Got an old rag here. See, we'll start down here. Oh yeah, I'm going to like it. Check it out. Here, Lynchies oil is going on it. It's gonna look pretty awesome when it's done. It's gonna look really good. Alright, let's get some Lynchies oil on here. then we'll let it dry. Probably do 2 or 3 coats of this. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a really awesome dark handle. What do you think? First time I ever did this, put Lynch's oil on something like this. So I'm gonna set it here for right now, let it dry, I'll come back out and show you what it looks like. Alright, let's check the axe out. Turned out really good. I am very impressed. This is 3 coats. Sorry I didn't film the other 2 coats. But this is 3 coats of Lynchy oil. And it turned out awesome. So happy. I definitely need to sand down this a little bit more. I need to get it a little sharpened up. But other than that, I'm done. I hope you enjoyed this little axe put together, axe restore video. Hope you enjoy it. I cannot wait to get out in the woods and use it now. So, my next video, out in the woods, let's use an axe. Have a few projects to do with it. Go for a little bushcraft camp. I hope you enjoy. Please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.